I'm Okumura from NTT DoCoMo. And DoCoMo is one of Japanese mobile operator. And we now serving various type of services by the 4G mobile network. And we are now accelerating activities towards actualization of the next 5G mobile network. So today I will talk about our latest activities on co-creation of new 5G services with a wide range of vertical industries and introduce examples of 5G applications for resolution of social problems, for example. Now let me start introduction. In the 5G network, it is expected that deployment of variety of services by taking advantage of 5G features. As you know, major features of 5G include high speed, low latency, and massive connectivity. Here we don't only assume use cases which are using selected single 5G feature, but we can also assume use cases which are using combined multiple 5G features. As a significance of 5G introduction, we DoCoMo consider that we can create new values and resolve social problems by promoting 5G as a pillar of digital transmission, the digital transformation, DX. And this DX is also supported by other technologies such as IoT, AI, AR and VR, and cloud. In the 5G era, it is expected that deployment of so many variety of services by taking advantage of 5G features as shown in this slide. And all kinds of services and applications has potential to create the new business model and ecosystem beyond different industries. This is our overall time schedule toward 5G commercialization by 2020. The global standard specification for 5G initial system has been specified as release 15 in 3GPP. On the other hand, it is expected that the radio spectrum allocation for 5G system will be decided early next year in Japan. From those situations, we DoCoMo assume the following 5G launch schedule. In September 2019, we will start preliminary service. And then in spring 2020, we will start commercial service before Olympic and Paralympic Games, Tokyo 2020. In order to create new value in 5G era, we are currently promoting co-creation of new services of 5G with a wide range of partners through DoCoMo 5G Open Partner Program and 5G trial sites. The Open Partner Program was started from February this year, and the program includes workshop, open laboratories, and information distribution. And about 1,800 companies or organizations have already participated in the program. And trial site was started from May last year, and already 75 trials have been done toward creation of new 5G services. So we intended to expand more collaborations for co-creation of 5G services continuously. Now I'd like to introduce about examples of our co-creation and trials on applications for solving various social problems. Our first one is 5G-based remote control of construction machine And this application has been co-created with Komatsu. We think that this solution can contribute to eliminate shortage of workers in the construction industry. For the field trials of this application, we used actual 5G mobile station and base station with 28 GHz band. And please look at an introduction movie for the application. Sorry, this includes voice. Okay.
NTT DoCoMo jointly performed a verification trial on a system that remotely operates bulldozers equipped with 5G radio, connecting Komatsu's trial field and a control office located some 40 kilometers away with DoCoMo's network. The system allows the operator to smoothly control a large unmanned bulldozer, leveraging 5G's high-speed and low-latency connection, while tracking the details of the surrounding environment in real time through multiple feeds of high-resolution video transmitted over the 5G network. With the introduction of Komatsu's smart construction solution, even operators without special skills can automatically control the location and movements of the bulldozer to excavate soil precisely at the height and angle instructed in the design drawings. The system enables efficient operation of construction and mining machines from a remote location, eliminating the need of physically dispatching operators to numerous construction sites across Japan.
Okay, this is an example of remote control construction machine using 5G. And next, one is 5G mobile telemedicine services. And this solution has been co-created with NTT Medical Center Tokyo. We think that this solution can contribute to eliminate regional disparities in medical care by using 5G. And please look at the movie.
NTT Medical Center Tokyo and NTT DoCoMo jointly carried out a demonstration of a remote prenatal checkup solution, in which a general practitioner sitting in a next-generation mobile clinic car, installed with medical equipment and 5G's super high speed and low latency connectivity, examines the patient together with a specialist obstetrician at a distant hospital. Pregnant patients visiting a mobile clinic car can receive speedy and accurate diagnosis by two doctors, who communicate with each other in real time over 4 kbps to confirm the patient's complexion and skin conditions, sent from high-resolution 4K cameras, as well as the baby's movements and growth with 4D echo.
Consulting with a specialist over 4K video, we make a joint diagnosis sending the patient's complexion and skin data in much higher quality compared to 4G, and the baby's 4D ultrasonic images. I believe 5G is quite useful for remote diagnosis.
Remote medical treatment provided by 5G-enabled next-generation mobile clinic car is expected to expand the locations and opportunities where patients can receive advanced medical services.
Okay, so I'll skip. And finally, I'd like to introduce application for entertainment. This is a new type of tourism service by using 5G. And this application has been co-created with Tobu Railway. We conducted the 5G trial on train pulled by steam locomotive SL. This is all type of Japanese SL operating by Tobu Railways. And we constructed 5G area along the railway using both 4.2 GHz BS and 28 GHz BS. And we start to kind of trial, and first one is transferring 8K live viewing. And SL live movie recorded by 8K camcorder at outside train, and it is transmitted to the passenger car by a 5G downlink. Normally, SL passenger cannot be looking at SL, which is pulling their selves. However, the system can provide a solution resolving such a problem. And second trial is employing multiple 4K movies by 5G downlink to realize new content delivery service for SL passengers. Okay. This 5G trial for SL train was just succeeded last month as MIC field trial. Finally, as mentioned in the introduction, we believe that so many varieties of new 5G solutions will be co-created by connecting among companies in vertical industries. So now this concludes my talk, and thank you very much for your kind attention.